Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. I found this piece of lace and it has sequins in it and like gold yarn and all that luscious stuff, and I figured I would put this on a cup, and if this interests you, just stay tuned. This is the cup I want to use and it has a handle, and this is the first time for me. So I'm trying to figure out where to cut my lace so it fits around my tumbler real good, and most of all it fits all around. So I'm cutting mostly in between those lines of sequins and stuff like that, and yeah, just to save as much of the tool that as possible. Beforehand, I prepped my cup and I painted it with acrylic paint in black because I figured the lace would be not so much visible if I have a black background. So I'm cutting off most of the lacy stuff that I don't need at all because it's only going to be in my way. So now I'm trying to figure out how to lay my lace down, and I'm cutting in between those pieces a little bit so I can go underneath the handle and in between, so the lace will be fitting all around and lay flat. And I can say as much as this was not easy. As I was satisfied with the placement of the lace, I took my gloss varnish. You can take any gloss varnish you want. It just has to dry transparent so it won't be visible. So now I'm taking my brush and I will put the gloss varnish onto my cup, and I'll do that in a very thick layer so I can glue on my lace with that. Now I take my lace and I put it on the cup, and that was not really easy to do because you have to lift it up and reposition and cut in some places and bend the fabric around it and just adjust a little bit. And when you did the first round, then the other side will be dry already, so you have to put some new glue on and all that stuff. So it was a kind of hard. as I had my lace around it, I was trying to figure out whether to put some of that onto the bottom, but that didn't really work out, so later on I just cut it off. So I pull my things around here and sticking them onto the cup wherever I need them. Yeah, and then I will cut the rest of the lace really close to the bottom off, because it's only in my way. After the varnish was dry, I cut off a little bit more exactly onto the rim, and this is much easier because the varnish made the fabric really hard and easy to cut. And that's the outcome of it up to now. That's the third layer of epoxy resin that I put on there because of the sequins and everything. It has like peaks and low stuff, and yeah, I had to put 3 coats of it on. As the resin was cured, something was happening that I didn't really count on. As you can see here, some pieces of the design just disappeared, and I had to think of something to do with it. I'm taking my trusty gloss varnish again. I'm putting glitter in there, and I will, yeah, really make those pieces that you can't see anymore visible again. Of course, I sanded my cup before painting with the glitter on top of it because I couldn't do that afterwards anymore. That's why it looks kind of funny. But don't worry about it. Trust me, it's going to be working out really fine. So where the blue spots were, I'm taking my blue glitter and I'm painting those spots right on. So I have some translucent white glitter, and as you can see, I'm painting it right over the gold spots that are not really visible, and it will be visible when the varnish is dry. And because of the top rim of this cup is not to my liking, I just took some gold glitter and I will paint the rim with it. So this is what it looks like now, and it looks like not much really, but as I said, trust me, this is going to be really good. This is going to be my last layer of resin I put on top of it, and as you can see, or you will see soon, that the resin will revive this cup and makes it really, really beautiful. And this is the kind of fascination that I have with resin. Everything underneath the resin will be coming back to life. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. The algorithm of YouTube only counts the likes that a video gets, and this is kind of important to me. So I really like for you to subscribe to my channel or leave me a comment as well. This is much appreciated too. And I hope I can show you some new things and things you didn't know, and hopefully you have some fun just as I do. Unfortunately, when this cup was cured, it had right there a big old lump, and this was because of the cup turner I had it on. Every time the handle starts to come down, it made a kind of a jump, and this yeah, made the resin just slowly but surely all went to that one spot. So now I know that I'm not using this cup turner anymore when I have cups with handles, because these are too heavy. I have a little issue inside of the handle as well because of that reason, and yeah, but this is going to be the last layer of resin that I put on that cup, and I will leave you some pictures at the end of the finished mug.